Okay, number one, you arrow down to where it says password reset, press enter. Go down to offline, password changer, press enter. It's going to boot up, have a lot of different text on the screen, just kind of wait it out. When it kind of pauses and stops for a minute or two, just press enter and you'll see this screen that comes up. By default, it wants to go to that bracketed screen right there. I'm going to pick it. It's going to say, what do you want to do? I want to do a password reset. It's already in brackets. And it loads the hives. It says, what do you want to do now? Well, I don't see the right location, so I'm going to go ahead and hit Q. I'm going to try it again. It says, do you want to do a new run? I'm going to say yes. Basically, what happened was, if you look in brackets, it's a number 1, and on the list, there's a candidate number 1 and a candidate number 2, and number 1 is wrong. You see how small that is? Candidate number 2 has the word boot next to it, so I'm going to change this number 1 to a number 2 and press enter. Okay? And it says, where's the path? Well, the path is already in the square brackets. Just press enter. And it says, what do you want to do? Do you want to do a password reset? Number 1? Yes. And number 1 is already in brackets. Just press enter. It says, what do you want to do? Do you want to edit the user data and passwords? Option number 1. Option number 1 is already in brackets. Just press enter. Okay, and then you get a list of all the users. And it says, what user do you want to change? Well, I want to go ahead and change. You see where it says administrator in brackets? And up here, I see the users. I want to change xadmin. So I'm going to type xadmin down here. Press enter. It says, now what do you want to do? Well, I want to clear the password. Clear and blank the user password. Option number 1. I'm going to change that from a Q. I'm just going to type number 1. Press enter. And it says, type the name that you wish to reset. I'm going to go ahead and type xadmin, because that's my user I want to change. Enter. What do you want to do? I want to do a number 1 to clear it. Password cleared. Now I'm just going to hit Q. Q. Enter. Sorry. I'm going to do the exclamation. Exclamation point. Enter. I want to do a Q and then enter. It says, do you want to write this back? I want to say yes. Enter. And it says write back, blah, blah, blah. Edit complete. It says, do you want to do a new run? I don't care at this point. I'm just going to go ahead and press the Control-Alt-Delete. And the password's been reset for, what do you call it? Administrator. I press Control-Alt-Delete and I'm back in business.